Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I like to show you how I make a chicken salad. It's a very nice recipe. It's pretty easy and healthy. I hope you enjoy. For today's salad I need 2 cups of chicken chopped, 4 boiling eggs chopped, 3 pickles chopped, half a cup of chopped celery, 2 tablespoons of red onion, 2 tablespoons of mayo, 1 tablespoon of mustard, salt, pepper to taste, and I have green parsley, 1 tablespoon. First ingredients, 2 cups of chicken. I have leftover chicken. I made the chicken yesterday, so I have roast chicken. So I have leftover, and it will be great for a chicken salad. Eggs, chop cucumbers, pickle, celery, red onion, green parsley, mayo, mustard, pepper, black pepper, and it's pretty easy chicken salad, and it's delicious. Let's mix everything. A little bit salt. The chicken salad is done. If you like this video, make sure you give thumb up and press the red button to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego.